ओके सर।
नमस्कार राहुल जी। कैसे हैं आप? और आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताएं। आप सुपर ट्यूटर ज्वाइन किए हैं और सुपर ट्यूटर के स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स एंड इंस्टीट्यूट को समझाएं कि आप क्या पढ़ाओगे और क्या आपकी टीचिंग स्टाइल है।
यस सर। नमस्कार सर। सर, आई एम राहुल फ्रॉम बिहार, Sarif, Nalanda, Bihar. I have completed my graduation from Haldia Institute of Technology, Haldia, West Bengal, in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have done my MTech from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shibpur, West Bengal. Currently, I am associated with QMath. Basically, sir, we teach maths up to grade 9th to 12th grade. Okay. So basically, sir, the philosophy behind teaching math is we teach math as a life skill. We say that math is the language of thinking and problem solving. So math is not just about memorizing formulae. Math is about logic, constructive mental models, and reasoning. So that's why we say math is not a subject but a life skill. Uh, uh, a classroom where children are not told the answer, but they are guided to discover the answer. So this is the specialty of QMath, and I will highly recommend the students to join QMath, and they can book free demo also. After that, they can decide.
Great. Means suppose a parents or student calls you and
Yes,
you will give them some demo lecture also of 15 minutes or
yes,
30 minutes so that
yes,
they can understand how it is your teaching style, and if they like they can enroll for your online tuitions.
yes, sir. Actually, 1 hour demo class is provided from
Wow,
QMath, sir,
good,
and
sir.
they can, yes, sir, they can explore the how this platform is working. We will guide everything, and they can after that they can decide how it is, and they can join.
That's good.
Uh,
That sounds great, and
uh,
I would expect you to get more and more students from Super Tutor platform because you have
yes, sir.
enrolled here, and you may have some queries about Super Tutor. You can ask me.
Yes, sir. Actually, I am new to this Super Tutor, sir. So can you tell me about what is Super Tutor and what it is?
Okay, sir. Super Tutor is a platform where teachers do their registration, and teachers are the paid members here. You are paying a subscription for your display, and students, parents, and institute are registering here as free subscription. And the student can find you. Suppose a student is searching for mathematics or QMaths. He can search for a teacher when your name will also be visible to him, and he can connect you through that contact teacher button. When he clicks on contact teacher, the students coordinates will be sent to you through mail, and your coordinate will be sent to students in return through mail. So both of you receive a mail regarding phone number, email ID, and all, and from that you have a call and decide on whether the demo class is there, whether a student is taking your tuitions or not, and whatever fees you take, we are not taking anything from that. It is going directly to you. So this is the way this platform is helping teachers to connect to students and students to connect teachers, and student can find their teachers. That is why I'm saying Super Tutor, find your tutor easily.
Oh, that's a very nice initiative, sir. So when you have started this one, sir?
We have started more or less 1.5 months back. It's mid of June we have started, and this month onward we are doing the promotions throughout India, so that we can attract more than 5 lakh students to this portal. And our aim is to cater 10,000 plus teachers to get students from here.
Okay, sir. That's great, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, all the best to you on this platform, and hope you will get a good number of students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.